Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to fix Audacy application not working on your Android device. If your Audacy application is not opening up or if you're having trouble logging into your account, then here are some fixes you could try and follow. The first thing you'll need to do is to check for your update. Go ahead and open up your Google Play Store and in the search box at the top, type in Audacy. Find the application in the search result and look for the update button. Tap on update to get the latest version of Audacy on your device. Another thing you'll need to go ahead and look for is that if you're connected to a stable internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once you find the best connection, you might be able to fix your issue. Go ahead and tap it open to see if it works. If the problem still continues, go ahead and launch Open the Settings application from your app drawer, and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. From the app list, look for Audacy app and tap on it. Now, tap on Storage. Tap on both Clear Cache and Clear Data at the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, go ahead and tap Open Audacy app once again and see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still continues, then you will need to simply delete your Audacy application and reinstall it again on your device. And after you go through all of those steps, you might be able to fix your issue right away. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if you are going through the Audacy application malfunction error on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.